I don't know yet if we're even a four-wheel drive car. What a perfect time to try to find a new trail in the snow late in the afternoon. Pick a side. You can push it up on this side. Yeah, good idea. I like it. Uh-oh. We're trying real hard here to scout ourselves a new trail. Yes, yes. This is going great. It is really tippy in there.
I knew that's what it was too.
That's the problem. What up, gents? Down at Crappy Customs today, working on the Green Bastard. After last weekend in the snow, where we snapped a hub right off. Got to fix the hub, and we got to fix a leaf spring, because we're gonna go wheeling today. As I said, a couple days out in the sun, the snow's almost gone. Beautiful piece of work there. So the hub itself is fine, eh? Just the holes are a little ogged out.
Yeah, and I got another one, but it's not looking like it's gonna fit. So we're gonna weld these back into place.
Weld them back in. Oh, the pins. Oh, I love this idea. You gonna get him to weld them?
No, I can do it.
Yeah. That's the spirit.
I was trying to trick him into it, but the thing's probably super greasy in there.
You're overthinking it, bud. Puts his glove back on. Like, what do you plan on spraying on it?
Like on my shirt.
Exactly. That's the thing. That's not too bad. Can you do a zester on the other side? Riley's second guessing your.
It's called Crappy Customs.
I love it. Oh, it looks mint, bud.
Yeah, I think it'll work.
Just noticed that upon further investigation, the main leaf's still there. I don't even know how he did that. So whenever he's done grinding on the hub, so we can put this side back together, we're gonna try to figure this out. Oh, and apparently Sean was telling me when I remounted the caliper last time, I had it spun around with a nice kink in the brake line. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm a terrible mechanic. I'm just as bad as a mechanic as I am a driver. So there's a lesson for you. You probably shouldn't let me wrench on your rig. You probably shouldn't let me drive your rig. So I'm terrible at both of those things. And I'll be hard on your parts. See about fixing these things and take it for a tool in the woods. When in doubt, vice grip it out. It's way easier than double nutting it. Dirty Jesus.
In the morning.
In the morning. Doing some vice grips. Uh-oh. Well, we got a double nut one. Here, on this side.
Claw hammer. Claw hammer. Claw hammer's gonna let go.
There you go, that's the way. Man.
See, claw hammer. It's a great tool.
Claw hammer vice grip combo. Only the best at Crappy Customs. Did you ever determine if your hub's actually locked?
No.
Spin it on free? Okay.
I'm gonna make that.
That's not a normal noise.
I think that's just.
There you go.
Yeah, I think that is a normal noise. Yeah.
It's just the scabbiness of your rig.
The sprockety bit.
Sure.
Not supposed to.
I don't know.
Can you just put a block of wood right here?
You gotta get home, not to leave home. I like it. Do it.
Put a block of wood right here.
Oh, I got a block of wood right here.
Yeah, we'll just build it in there. Sledge it in there. We got a carpenter. Carpenter Jim's gonna build a house here.
Slide it in there.
This is a complicated system of levers and pulleys.
I feel like you
No idea what you're trying to accomplish here.
These guys are thinking they're gonna squish this down.
I don't.
No.
Well, I mean, yeah, you can get it there, but what's that gonna do?
Go down now.
It's still broken.
Oh, I don't think this is gonna work. This is this brain trust over
I'm
here.
sure what these guys.
It's the two rookies here over here.
Yeah, they love
These are the new guys to the sport. Piece of wood's gonna jettison out there the first bump you go over.
That's good. A lot of pressure on it. Hit it with a hammer.
Well, it's definitely one way to solve the problem.
It's gonna fall out.
It's definitely gonna fall out.
Of course it's gonna fall out.
Like the spring.
I'm not even sure what you guys are trying to do here. None of
Trying
these
to
are
push that spring
solutions.
down, I think.
I'm trying to push that spring to get it back in there.
You're not gonna get it with like
What's it
that.
gonna do when it's back in there?
Even though the front leaf spring's broken, I think we're going wheeling. You're fine. You got lots of room. You don't need to worry about a broken leaf spring. Just gonna go wheeling. So yeah, we don't know what's gonna happen, but the only thing holding it together is the mill wrap. Well, in typical dumbass fashion, we're gonna go wheeling. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon already. It gets dark in like an hour and a half. The leaf spring is made broken, and the mill wrap is only holding us up. So, you know how we do. Gonna go do some Sunday rock crawling and see how she goes. It's probably a terrible idea, but we stood around long enough. Sean really needs to break it really good so we can put the Dana 60 in the front of this thing. So that's really what we're trying to accomplish here. He was this close to just pulling this diff out and putting the Dana 60 in today, but instead we're gonna go try to drive it on the mill wrap. It's not bad to head out of the house like that, right? Well, so it's been exactly 7 days since we were out here last. You can see how much the snow disappeared. And Sean has a plan of a new trail, so we're going this way. It's almost 3 o'clock. It gets dark in like an hour, so we're gonna go try to cut a new trail.
Broken leaf spring.
With a broken leaf spring. And a bunch of idiots. And the hub that we put together was really high quality. So here's the end of the Bears Trail. We're going this way now. It doesn't even look like a trail. I don't know yet if we're even a four-wheel drive car.
Hold on, I'll get out. It is steering really nice. So
it's steering really nice. So one of them's probably open.
Yeah.
Well, we're not gonna get very far in three-wheel drive, but there is 2 seats behind us, so what a perfect time to try to find a new trail in the snow late in the afternoon.
Yeah, that's a lot more snow out here.
I really like that your enthusiasm for finding trails these days, Sean. Rick's making so many bad sounds right now. Our friends don't actually know what we're doing. We never told them. And now we're looking for a new trail. They're coming in disbelief. Better fill that vape pen back up.
Can put that on. Nerd.
Sick vape, bro. None of us have ever driven down, brand new. And he thinks it's right here. Is that where we're going?
Some branches weren't there.
You don't need to worry about some branches. I don't know where we're going. Sean knows. Ah!
Yeah.
Looks like you have four-wheel drive. Where are we going? Seems like a lot of work here, Sean. For the record, I had nothing to do with this plan. He says there's some trail up around the corner that he wants to check out. Sean's doing yard work up here. Are you done yet? Seems like a lot of work. Nice saw work, bud.
Thought we came out to wheel.
Exactly.
Doing yard work.
That's fine. Pick a side. You can push it up on this side. Yeah, good idea. I like it. How big is it? How heavy is it? Uh-oh. Oh, it's caught on your stupid windshield eyebrow bar. Or go that way. You can see where your windshield bar. Oh, there it should be.
They didn't even see it.
It's a nice forest here.
Yeah.
There's gonna be rocks in this forest. I think we gotta look. What the hell is this? 3 concrete cylinders in the middle of absolute nowhere. So far, this has been a real dud of a scouting mission. Oh! Now I'm worried one of these trees is gonna take us out.
How fast Kevin turned around.
We're gonna drive over this big log at the top of the log. Woo!
I shouldn't stop.
Oh, we might be able to go over there and under. Let me see where we're going here. Oh, there's some rocks. We finally found a rock. And I see a boulder over there. We're trying real hard here to scout ourselves a new trail. Yes, yes. She's a little tight. You've definitely lifted the tree up.
That was the tree sound I Hey, now go up that rock.
What are you talking me into?
This is Sean's doing. This is Sean's fault. We were this close to going home. And then he looked over here and said, oh, you should drive over here. This looks like a great new trail. 3:30. Gets dark shortly after 4 because this is Canada. And we're cutting brand new trails. This is great. I love it. Like he could drop right there, right? You're sitting right on your rear axle on that tree. We don't know where to go after the next rock. It didn't make itself clear to us. Sean isn't nearly as confident about where we are as he thought he was. So we gotta winch Kevin backwards.
I'd love to live way back here in the woods.
What's that?
I'd love to live back here in the woods. I wouldn't care if the dogs bark.
Okay. Sitting right on your rear leaf. This is going great. It really wedged on there. There it is. Wow.
Okay.
I'll unhook you.
Did anything break?
I don't think so. You were just really wedged on that spring hanger. Okay, well, now it's officially getting proper dark. Oh, and you're seeing me point with my right hand today instead of the other way around. Well, I fell down the stairs on Monday, and I gotta say, it's not even like a cool story, like I was outside in the snow, yada yada yada. I was inside my house, vacuuming, and I thought I was in the bottom step. I was in the 3rd step, and I stepped backwards into nothing, and I fell fully on my right shoulder, right on the concrete basement floor. So my shoulder's been buggered all week. So I'm out here just doing the thing like a bit of a cripple. But you know how she goes sometimes. Jim's gonna wedge himself onto the trees over there. Kevin's got to zip around.
Elevator.
It is really tippy in there. Tippy tippy. Good old Tipsy truck. Well, that really sucks.
Pretty dense, man.
There he goes. Now you got her. We need more suspension in the rear. That's your problem. Why don't you have more? There you go. Just sneak her past there. You're fine. Oh, good Sunday rock crawling with the boys. And we weren't even gonna come out. And now here we are. And then we were gonna leave. And now here we are. And here we are, and here we are. No problem. It's a nice piece of firewood right there. Man. Wonder why we take out so many brake lines. Well, I don't really know if it's a successful mission, but I do know that this movie is coming out Christmas Eve. Saturday morning cartoons. Merry Christmas, boys. I've got next week. We got the Pathmaker Productions highlight video from 2022. I'm getting my ride here. You're looking great. It looks great.
Same thing.
Looks the same.
Spring's good.
Spring is still attached. Oh, I see some rock over there.
Yeah, look at that.
That's a big one. There's actually a road there.
Yeah. Some good bouncing.
Yeah, we gotta watch the bouncings. Are we gonna go under again, or these guys squish it down?
I think it's probably lower than it used to be, I would guess.
Oh, there you go, Jimmer. Just run right into it and break it.
Piece of wood.
Same angle you're on. What tire time?
That was awesome.
There it is. Well, we did it.
I've never heard a piece of wood break that loud in a while. Ever, maybe.
Well, that's one way to do it. Sure seems to me like you have four-wheel drive.
Easy peasy.
Dragging branches with us. We got this is new. Hang on. Oh no, she lives there now. Oh well, you get this thing. Cool. Oh, we'll just bring that home with us. It's gonna get snagged on a tree. Maybe try to snag it on a tree.
On this tree.
Okay, good idea. Safety first. Ah!
Must have broke.
Okay, well, it pulled itself out of there. Nicely done. That's the kind of body work we do at Crappy Customs.
That's a good.
Jim says he's got a real bad sound going on over there.
This road, past where we came,
Thinks his drive shaft's busted or something.
Everywhere, right on the ground, like down on the road.
So I think that might be our
yeah, nobody goes back
time we're gonna head down the hill. I guess we could have pulled them home. We could have offered to pull him home. Jim's making a bad sound now. So even though it wasn't hard wheeling, I guess he got so bound up under that tree though. I knew if he popped something.
Probably is what.
I wonder if he did a ring gear. That's a FJ80 ring gear though, which is a 9 3/4 inch ring gear, I think. Just saw some sparks. We probably got to tone down. I just saw some sparks. Did you pooch a ring gear?
Something.
Pinion?
Drive shaft.
You broke your drive shaft flange.
That's cool.
Only one of the bolts. I wonder if you walked a couple of the bolts out. Unfortunately, that means that you got to take your drive shaft out though before we can drive home.
We're almost there, guy.
Jim's house is literally down around the corner, right there. Oh, that sucks. But that thing spins, so we got to take it out. Oh, it's dark under here. Oh, it's hard for me to climb under there with my buggered up shoulder.
This is not a puddle.
Take your belt off and we'll just hold the drive shaft up with it and we'll drive down the hill. You're gonna give me some light. Oh yeah, there's a problem.
I knew that's what it was too.
That's the problem.
It's like, I hear it clanking, it's like I look underneath, I'm looking at all my...
That's it? Just that?
Yeah.
Jim might have another one of those, I betcha.
Well, I'm back in the shop. Forgot to close out this video while I was at Sean's house. Stunned, I tell ya. Stunned. Good day of exploring. Looking for some more rocks and some new trails. Didn't find too much today, but Sean's always out there walking the dogs. So now he has a mission to go back to where we were today and look around for some rocks for us. I know this video is coming out on Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, everyone. Big shout out to all my patrons. Got a couple actually new guys to put on the side of the truck. I got Jamie S and Randy J. Got to get you guys some decals. Thanks for joining and supporting the channel, and keep filming Saturday morning cartoons for you guys. Anyways, Merry Christmas. Next weekend is the Pathmaker Productions 2022 rock crawling highlight video. Check that out. Who knows what we're gonna get up to in the new year. Hopefully, because of these beauties, we're gonna get to do some more road trip rock crawling. So everybody on the Patreon list, thank you guys. Everybody else, thank those guys for helping out and get me on the road and do some rock crawling and bring you guys more Saturday morning cartoons. Anyways, cheers, gents. Merry Christmas. Have a good one.